What's up, everybody? We're about to do the first oil change on the Indian Challenger at 500 miles. We got the AMSOIL V-Twin 15W-60 fully synthetic. Start off with 4 quarts, run it, recheck. You're going to add probably another quart for a total of 5. We got a 6mm Allen key to take the drain out of the engine. We have a K&P Engineering oil filter that's reusable, has a stainless steel center cartridge that does the filtering. This does have a special cleaning procedure that you're going to have to do before you install it on the bike, and then after every oil change. It goes in here like this, twist it into place until it clicks up in there. We have the oil filter socket for taking the old filter off and reinstalling the new one. This will have a bunch of advantages, such as it being reusable, number one, it having the magnet to catch any debris for worn components inside the engine and keep that from going back through any of the major oiling areas of the engine and causing damage. This also will decrease some resistance in the oiling system, so your oil pressure will go up some, and that will help to lubricate the motor at lower RPMs and at idle. It comes with a new gasket here at the top. I did buy extras so that when you change your oil the next time, you can install a new gasket here on the top. We got our drain pan, and now I'm going to start the bike up, and then we will drain the oil. Alright, so now we're going to start the bike, let it run for a bit, get warm, and once she's warmed up, then we will shut it off and drain the oil. Stick it in neutral. We've got it at 180 degrees. You can see it's right at 506.3 miles. Now we're going to shut it off and drain the oil. There's your primary cover. You go straight down. See your shift linkage here. And behind that, your old drain. Not sure if you can see, but there's definitely some metallic debris from the engine breaking in, most likely, bearing material, piston rings, cylinder wall breaking in, that kind of stuff. We got the drain plug there. One gasket is a copper gasket, and then you're going to install an O-ring that's on the middle of that drain plug. Got your primary cover here. You go along to the front, look down behind your shift peg, and you'll see the filter back there. We have the K&P oil filter filled and installed. And if you come down here, we are at a very slow drip, and we're about to reinstall the drain plug. Now we have our dipstick and fill here. I also have a funnel. It's actually for DEF fluid, but this works perfect. We're going to start off with 4 quarts. All right, now we're going to start the bike, let it idle for 30 seconds, shut it off, check the oil level, and then add as needed, and then repeat this until it's properly full. All right. All right, now we shut the bike off. We're gonna go down here, check the oil level. You might be able to see, but after 4 quarts, we're still below the add. So I'm gonna add another half a quart, see where we're at. I ended up adding all 5 quarts, and you can see that we're right in the middle of the add to full range. And this is not totally hot, so we are good to go. All right, everybody. First oil change is done. It's going to be warm tomorrow. Ready to rip for a little bit. See you all out on the road later.